Hello and welcome to Leap On Board. Today we'll be seeing how we can create a campaign for your interviewed candidates with specific date for each post. For that, you can log in into your Leap On Board account and click on the campaigns tab here. Once you click on the campaigns tab, you will have an option to create a new campaign. Once you click on new campaign, here you will be able to fill in basic information such as the name of the campaign, the category, followed by the employment status. Here you can give any name for your campaign. And you can choose the category from these categories available, followed by the employment status. Here you can see we have three options here: only interviewed, to be onboarded, and joined. Here we'll be choosing only interviewed since our campaign is for the interviewed candidates. And once you click on next, here you will have the flexibility of choosing which department do you want to create this campaign for. You can choose any specific department or even choose all the departments. We will be choosing one specific department here. Under the department as well, you will have an option to choose which level of that department that you want to create this campaign for. You can choose any specific department or you can choose all the levels under the specific department. And once you click on next here, you will be able to schedule your campaign. You can give any specific date of also for your campaign by choose a specific date. Here, once you click on the calendar icon, you will be able to schedule your campaign date. I will be giving here, for example, 27th November. And the end date too, I will be giving 29th November. I want this campaign to run for 3 days. Once you've chosen the specific date here, you can just simply click on create campaign and your campaign will be successfully created. Now to add post to this campaign, you can simply click on add post. And here you will be able to add as many posts as you wish to. Here I'll be choosing 3 posts for the 3-day campaign. And once you click on proceed here, these posts will be successfully added to the campaign. And now you can choose the date for this each specific post. So here you can just click on this icon here and you'll be able to choose the date. So for the first post, I'll be choosing 27 November, followed by the second post here, 28th November. And then for the last post, 29th November. So once you've chosen the date here, you can go ahead and click on publish and your campaign will be up and running. So this is how you can create a campaign for your interviewed candidates for a specific date for each post. And thank you so much for watching this video.